Hello， 大家好。Today we are going to learn how to order takeaway. See, you know how to say in Chinese? How to 如何 order is a 点 takeaway is 外卖 So whole sentence will be 如何点外卖 Okay? We live in the society, and now it's very convenient because we always, now there's a takeaway. We also, if we don't go out, we want to order food to our home, so we will order takeaway by phone, or we directly go to the restaurant and to order. Okay, this one I don't eat in the restaurant, I will take away. So remember, nowadays, the takeaway is very popular and very useful English and Chinese. How to say it in Chinese one more time? 外卖. Okay, very useful. So, what is the first sentence? Even you are in the phone or go to restaurant, what's the first sentence that you have to talk to the people? Yes. Hello. It is the first sentence, right? Yes, you are right. So, how to say the next? I want to order takeaway. How to say it? Hello. All the time, have to remember. I think you already remember it. You can pronounce it by yourself, right? Yes. I want to order takeaway. Yes. 你好，我想 order 点外卖。Easy? Yes. 你好，我想点外卖。我想点外卖。Yes, perfect. Easy. You can't say 外卖 only. What is that? You have to tell them I want to order. So 我想点外卖. Yes, very good. So what is the next? And the people will ask you the same. They will ask you, perhaps you don't need to speak, but when they talk in Chinese, you have to understand, right? So now I tell you, and then you can make use of your ear and to listen. And later when they talk to you, say, oh yes, I know this sentence. I know what he wants, right? Yes. So what do you want to order? How to say it? 请问你要点些什么 Right? 请问你要点些什么 Yes. Can I speak faster? Not faster. I speak like a neutral or natural Chinese. Okay? 请问你要点些什么 Yes. Very good. When they ask you 你要点些什么 it means that you can start order, okay? So you will answer, I want to order Beijing duck. Yes, very, very delicious. I have to tell you. So next time when you come to Beijing, and then you will know how to order Beijing duck, okay? Yeah. 我想, yes, remember we have this want for many times already. So I think you have to remember 想 is want. 我想点北京烤鸭 OK 我想点北京烤鸭鸭 is duck 烤鸭 is that Beijing duck, you know, the bakery Beijing duck. So 我想点北京烤鸭 OK, so in this way you have to know the dishes of what you want order in Chinese. I can't introduce all, but if you want, I can make a lesson for you only that lists some famous food in China. I can list it, and we have one class only teach the real Chinese name of the famous food. And so when you go to the restaurant, you can order if you want. You can leave comment, and then I will tell you. I will use a class only. Okay? So one more time, let me practice. 请问你想点些什么？请问你想点些什么 Yes. Answer. 我想点北京烤鸭。我想点北京烤鸭 Yes, very good. Or I know I have been in the Netherlands. So in there the Chinese restaurant is the most famous in Chinese restaurant is a spring roll. Very, very big like this. So how if you want to order the spring roll, how to say it? 我想点春卷儿。Spring roll is 春卷儿。我想点春卷儿。Yes, 春卷儿。我想点春卷儿。Yes, very good. Or some famous like rice. 我想点米饭。米饭。Yes, noodle, fried noodle. 我想点炒面。我想点炒面。Yes, fried rice. 我想点炒饭。Yes, you see, fry is the 炒. So 我想点炒饭。Okay, fried noodle. 我想点炒面。Okay, spring roll. 我想点春卷儿。Okay, come back. Beijing duck. 我想点北京烤鸭。Wow, perfect. If you have time, you come to Beijing, you taste Beijing duck. Wow, that is really very delicious. And you will see that it's different from your country. Okay? So what is the next? The next is that they will tell you how many minutes you have to wait. So how to say it? You have to wait for 15 minutes. You have to. 大概 is about, about. 大概需要 need. 等 is wait. 你大概需要等 15. I remember. 15. Yes, 15 minutes. I tell you 分钟 right? 你大概需要等15分钟。Yes, 你大概需要等15分钟。Very good. So, we come back, we say, start from the beginning. 你好，你需要点些什么？我想点北京烤鸭。你大概需要等15分钟。It means that they tell you, you have to wait for 15 minutes. If you want, you say, okay, 好的 and then you can stay there to wait. If you don't want, okay, just bye-bye, go. You don't need to wait, right? So, but after that, and they will ask you, what else do you need to order? It means, except the Beijing duck, anything else you want to order? Yes. How to say it? 你还 else. 你还需要些什么？你还需要些什么吗？你还需要些什么吗？ Yes. What else do you need to order? 你还需要些什么吗？ You see, the last two words is very light. 吗 Yes. Speak faster. 吗你还需要些什么吗？ Look at my mouth. 你还需要些什么吗？ Yes, see it? Yes, let me make two sentences together, okay? 你大概需要等15分钟。You say, if you want, okay, order. And then if you don't want, and then go. But if you want, and they will say, 你还需要些什么吗？你还需要些什么吗？ Yes. And if you need, you can continue order like 我想要 or 我想点 blah blah something else, 春卷儿米饭 Yes. If you don't need, you say no 不需要 Okay? So, and after your takeaway is ready, after it's ready, what they will say? Your takeaway is ready. So how to say it? 你的 is yours. Your. 你的外卖好了。Ready. 你的外卖好了。先生，你的外卖好了。女士，你的外卖好了。Yes. easy. And you can hear,好了, okay, it's mean ready. Okay, I go to take it. Yes. And but later you check. If you check, in my takeaway, it's missing something. I have to tell them how to say it. Yes. It is still missing sauce. It is still missing sauce. Remember how to say sauce? Yes, 调料, right? So, still missing, 还差 is missing, 差 is missing, 还差调料 easy, right? 还差调料 Yes. 你的外卖好了 and you check, 还差调料 and then they will take the sauce for you, right? Yes. And or 还差什么? 还差 what? What do you else? For example, 还差 rice. How to say it? 还差 rice. 还差米饭. Yes. Or 还差spring roll. Yes. 还差春卷. Yes. And fried noodles. 还差炒面. Yes. Very good, right? So you just remember and you just put the dish's name into behind, and then there will be a sentence. And you can practice when you order takeaway in the Chinese restaurant. So, and when it's ready, and then everything is ready, what is the final? Yes, pay money. And we did learn how to say the numbers, right? So now let me review, okay? So in total, you need to pay 198 RMB. Yes, that is Beijing duck in Beijing is one with sauce, everything. That is 198. That is the cheapest. So 一共198块. Yes, remember? If you don't remember or you don't know, you didn't learn how to say the numbers and the money in Chinese, you can review the video that we talk about the number and the money, and then you can review and you can see it and you will know how to say it, okay? So one more time. 一共 it means total. 一共198块. Yes. 一共198块. And then you pay the money to them, okay? So, and if but you order so much, I need extra bag. What do you have to say? Yes, please give me one more bag, please. Thanks. Yes, so how to say please? 请, very important. That is very polite word. And you meet someone, open the door, 请. Ask them to sit down, also say 请. So have to remember, 请. One more. 再给我一个袋子，谢谢。So, 请再给我一个袋子，谢谢。请再给我一个袋子，谢谢。Yes, I will speak naturally, okay? 请再给我一个袋子，谢谢。Okay? So they will give you back, right? So one more time, let me review. 一共198块 and check everything alright and say 请再给我一个袋子，谢谢。Very polite, right? Very good. So, and after you take it, what do you have to say? Just go. Yes, that is. But you remember, you have to say one word behind. No. Yes, bye-bye. It's bye-bye. Yes, how to say? You say, yes, of course, if you are in China, you say bye-bye, everyone understand. But we have to learn how to say in Chinese because we want, if you can speak the bye-bye in Chinese, they also feel very happy, right? So, what is bye-bye? 再见. Right? That's very, very common. The same as 谢谢, 你好, the same. Remember, 再见. It means that see you next time. 再见. Okay? Now, I want to give you tips. What is the tips? You know how to say 再见 in Beijing languages? Yes, that is 回头见，回头见了您嘞。This is Beijing. This is 北京话. Okay, so today the class is finished. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.